Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen! If you're bored of making the same traditional lasagna, stay tuned because today we're teaching you how to make a chicken spinach lasagna. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video and down below in the description box as well. We'll start off by soaking the lasagna sheets in a pot filled with hot water from the kettle. No need to turn on the stove top. Put them there and let them soak and chill just long enough for them to soften. We're not looking to cook them just yet. Then, in a deep pan, start with olive oil and butter and throw in your white onions, cook until translucent, then add in your garlic and stir patiently. After a couple of minutes, we'll add in the boneless chicken breasts that we cut into small cubes, season with a generous amount of salt and pepper, and stir. Once they all become white and seem almost fully cooked, add in the chopped mushrooms and stir again. Season some more with black pepper. We're going to add in the fresh spinach and stir and let it cook down. We're going to season again with salt and a generous amount of oregano and mix for a minute or so, then we'll set it aside. In another pot, we'll start making our bechamel sauce by adding in a block butter and add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then we are going to gradually add in full-fat milk and stir after each time we add to ensure that everything mixes together well and nothing gets clumpy. We're going to add in a cup of water with the vegetable stock dissolved in it and mix. And guess what? We'll add in more milk because the bechamel sauce is starting to thicken and cook down, and it's always better to have more bechamel sauce than too little. We'll add in half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and mix again. Then we add a tablespoon or 2 of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and we don't forget to give the sauce a taste. Add in salt and pepper to your taste, give it a final mix, and now we're done with the bechamel sauce. To the chicken mix, we are going to be adding a ladle or 2 of the sauce. We're going to make sure that we add it gradually. We don't want to drown the chicken mixture with sauce and have it swimming in bechamel sauce, so that's why we have to do it slowly. Then start layering your lasagna by putting some bechamel sauce on the bottom of the casserole before you put in any pasta sheets. That way the pasta sheets won't stick to the bottom of the casserole. For the final layer, spread bechamel sauce on the pasta sheet, then sprinkle a generous amount of cheese. Cheddar and mozzarella are a good mix. Then cover with aluminum and pop it into the oven. If you ended up with a lot of leftover chicken mixture and bechamel sauce like we did, you can make another lasagna casserole, or you can quickly boil some penne pasta or fusilli pasta like ours and mix all this in there to create another dish altogether. Anyway, back to the lasagna. Remove from the oven, remove the aluminum, bake for 10 more minutes or less on a higher heat or closer to the top, just enough for the cheese on top to brown and bubble, not burn. And then you're done. Enjoy!